Hey Justin, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I happened to be doing some research in your area and I came across your website and figured I'd shoot a short video for you guys going over 3 things that you all can start doing today to start beating your competitors online. So by the end of this video, if you like what you hear or would like to know how Midtown Marketing can help grow your business online, give me a call and we can hop on a strategy session. If not, no harm, no foul. You can take the tips in this video and use them for yourself. All I ask is for some feedback on this. So let's go ahead and get started. The 3 things that I'm going to be going over today are content, citations, and backlinks. And the first thing is content. And so content is anything that you can see on your website. So all of the wording that you have here, but that also includes what photos are saved as before they're uploaded. Google is able to see what's behind these photos here. And so content is important because Google wants to see that you are providing value to your readers, as well as seeing what keywords are embedded throughout your content. And a good rule of thumb would be to have at least 1,500 words on this homepage to be considered an authority with Google. And then those keywords embedded throughout. And so one example of a keyword is foundation repair, Los Angeles. And so the next thing that we are going to be going over are citations. And a big thing that affects here is the Google Map Pack section. And so 30 to 40% of business goes into this Google Map Pack section. And you want to be ranking in the top 3 because the top 3 get a lot of that 30 to 40%. And the way that you outrank your competitors here has a lot to do with those citations. And so I see that you have a Google business profile that is really good and you'd want to have it be completely optimized. And so the biggest thing here and the most time consuming are those citations. So you'd want to make sure that your name, your address, and your phone number exactly as you have it here are in your local directories. And local directories are anything like Yelp, Facebook, anything like that. So you want to have more of those citations than your competitors, and you can get your share of this 30 to 40% here. And the last thing are backlinks. And so backlinks have a lot to do with this organic section down here. And this is where your website is ranking. So we see your website here for the 5 best foundation companies in LA County. And then we are at the bottom of the first page here. And so it's really good that you guys are on the first page here because over 90% of people will stay on the first page. And the higher up you go, the more business you will get for yourself. And I also saw that you guys are Google guaranteed. That is a great tool to have as well to increase your business. So you guys are doing a great job there. And so something that we can do is we can take a look at the back end of your website. So I'm in Ahrefs here, and then I have your URL plugged in. So we can take a look at ratings pulled from Google data. The UR and the DR is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. You'll have 50 and 30. And what's making up your ratings are just under 7,500 backlinks that you have. And these backlinks are coming from just over 1,100 referring domains. And so what a backlink is, it's one website linking to another, like a shout out. And it's important to note that not all backlinks are the same. There are high quality backlinks that will boost the UR and the DR, and there are spammy ones that will bring these down. So you do want to be intentional there, as well as making sure that your backlinks are relevant to your industry. And you want your UR and your DR higher than your competitors so that you are being boosted to the top of that Google search result. But what goes hand in hand with this here are keywords. And so I see here that you have 12,600 keywords here. And you really want to make sure that you have buyer intent keywords on your site. And the reason is because we want to have keywords that people are searching in your area where it sounds like they are ready to purchase the services that you provide. And so you'd want to make sure that you have those buyer intent keywords and that you are at the top for those buyer intent keywords there. So something that we can do, we can take a look at all of your competitors as well and see what their UR, what their DR is, what backlinks that they have, and what keywords that they have. And so apart from this, we'd want to do a separate extensive keyword research. And so with just a really fast Los Angeles foundation repair, we can see that there are hundreds of people searching for this specific service in that specific city. So we'd want to do extensive research here for all of the services that you provide in all of the cities that you service. And you want to rank for each one of these keywords. And so that way you're getting more eyes on your site. And the more eyes that are on your site, the more people that would be converting into your customers there. So you'd want to have those Google business profiles if you have multiple ranking, as well as your website ranking there. And I hope that this video was helpful for you. I look forward to hearing that feedback, and I really appreciate you taking the time to watch. Thanks.